5 Etsy digital products that sell and easiest way to earn $500 per day. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. The first digital product I recommend is the Canva template. Canva is such an easy to use platform now, and it's free, or there's like a super cheap paid option and anybody can use it. Therefore, if you have anything that you believe people would like to use as a Canva template, it may be a very excellent method to create a digital product that people can use and would want to buy. Maybe you want to make a template for YouTubers, then you can make thumbnails that you can sell. You can also create media kits in Canva or media kit templates for creator content. If you don't know, a media kit is the document we present to businesses when they want to collaborate with us or sponsor us. It contains information about your prices as well as all of your statistics. If you want to check what products you can make with Canva, then you can check out our video because we cover a lot of things about Canva. If you want to check on Etsy what products have interesting potential, you can also check with the keyword made in Canva and lots of products made from Canva will appear. There are many variations of Canva templates that you can sell, and you can customize them according to your abilities. You can also sell resumes, contract templates, wallpapers, etc. You can even make various types of designs for t-shirts and work with print-on-demand providers to produce and send clothes with designs that you have made. Okay, the second digital good is a set of business owner templates. I use a ton of templates since I operate a business, and they just make everything easier by preventing you from having to start from scratch. Particularly small company owners adore templates since they simplify and streamline the entire process of starting a firm and establishing their brand. You may provide company owners with many other kinds of templates, such as business plan templates and marketing materials like flyer templates, thank you card templates, and so on. When it comes to business, there is actually something I really recommend, namely the website template made on Canva. Even though we should have discussed this in the first recommendation list, I deliberately discussed it in number 2 because it is related to business. A niche that I think is quite interesting for digital products is real estate agents, because there are lots of real estate agents who don't have design skills and want to get a website for them to sell, and this could be an opportunity for you. You just click in the search column with the keyword real estate website or Canva real estate. Various websites will appear whose prices range from $30 to $50. You just study every real estate product on this website because this is perfect for those of you who want high-priced digital products, and keep in mind that you only need to make it once and you can sell it many times. If you're skilled at graphic design, you can also have templates for emails or bills. However, if you truly do have a talent for graphic design, you might sell a template that would be more expensive and give you a little more margin for profit. Would be a sales page template or a whole website template. Business owners that have websites on platforms like Wix, WordPress, or Kajabi would be seeking these templates to assist them in setting up their complete website. Although that is a little more complicated and requires prior graphic design skills, it is undoubtedly something that can be learned. When you do learn it, small business owners are very interested in it and can pay much more for it than for smaller individual listings and digital products. Social media templates are the next digital product category that is now generating significant money on Etsy. Both influencers and companies like these products. They are essentially stock photos and Canva templates that one may utilize for social media marketing. These templates are simple to develop, but more importantly, simple to duplicate, in my opinion. This refers to the point at which you have assembled a collection of templates that, instance, adhere to a minimalist aesthetic. You may quickly create 3 distinct listings that you can add to your shop by using the same templates, changing the color or adding some greenery. It must adhere to an aesthetic because that is what counts when it comes to social media layouts. Let's see what kind of social media template products are in great demand, of course, by entering the keyword social media templates in the search field. You observe shops that are popular now or have best sellers because those are products that are loved by many buyers, and these tips apply to all digital products that you want to make. On Etsy, I have seen this work beautifully, but you can also develop templates that are intended for particular demographics in addition to adhering to a theme or color scheme. For instance, this collection of templates is intended exclusively for estate agents, this collection is for health coaches, and this collection is for hairstylists. It is far simpler to be lucrative on Etsy when you create social media templates for specific audiences, firstly because there is less competition, but also because you are providing a solution to a problem for a certain group. If you're interested in the social media field, new themes are always being developed. You should conduct in-depth market research to ensure you don't miss any good opportunities, in my opinion. A digital planner or planner bundle is the fourth product category, so without further ado, let's get to the items. A digital planner is simply one that can be used digitally on a computer, iPad, or iPhone by someone who prefers not to use a physical planner. They can utilize it using applications like GoodNotes or Notability or on any of their various gadgets. The most popular products in this category on Etsy are Planner Bundle. The buyer may utilize these planner pages, which may contain a daily, weekly, or monthly calendar view or hyperlink pages with links to their other pages. These planners will thus feature a variety of pages. If we discuss the planner, we can actually check that in the Etsy shop there are lots of shops that you can learn about, but I recommend that you study the Amethyst Garnet and Creative Jam Co. shops because these two products have many buyers and these two products are unique. This product from Amethyst Garnet is unique in that the bundle that it offers is very complete, up to 10,000 planners it sells in one bundle and thousands of stickers. It looks like this is a bundle containing all the items in this store. If we talk about his income, it turns out that his income is quite a lot, namely around 400,000 Australian dollars, which he makes from just this one product, and this product's income contributes around 50% of the total income of this store. The next product is from Creative Jam, which in my opinion is also quite interesting because it takes a niche in selling its planner products. This product he makes uses Google Sheets and you don't have to pay any fees when using Google Sheets. This planner product is perfect for those of you who want to sell digital products with $0 capital because it uses Google Sheets and you don't need a subscription when you want to use it. Actually, if you want to make a planner like this, you can make it in various applications like Canva or Google Sheet. I recommend Google Sheet because it's easier, but if you use Canva there will be lots of elements or images that you can use, so it depends on your needs in making a product digital. Even though there are lots of planners on the Etsy website that can inspire you to sell planners at the Etsy store, my advice, like the previous product, is to focus on a particular theme. For example, you can focus on sports planners because if you make a general product, then you have to compete with stores that have received lots of reviews from consumers, and also you have to compete with many products on Etsy. Actually, you can also compete with general planners, but the bundle you make must be more interesting than the planner we discussed earlier. Or if you cannot compete in terms of product quality, then you can compete in terms of the quantity of the bundles you provide, but this requires sufficient time, a lot to make. So I suggest you focus on planners with a certain niche and make a fairly complete bundle in the niche you choose. For example, if you are working on a planner with a sports niche, you can create a bundle that contains a meal planner, fitness schedule, and so on. Workbooks are the fifth item on the list. They provide a form of alternative to courses for anyone working as an online educator or in any other capacity as an educator. So if you're thinking, I really don't want to build an online course, you could definitely teach what you want to teach in a workbook style and sell it. One example of a product that sells workbooks on Etsy is the SEO workbook. This product teaches buyers how to apply SEO to their buyers' Etsy shops. Just for info, you can also sell workbook templates to other people who don't have design skills but want to teach something, then workbook templates are the solution. But you can also sell workbooks that contain information that you want to share with your buyers, but my advice is to do in-depth research on these workbooks because some are in high demand and some are low. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.